Are you ready to finally say goodbye to stubborn belly fat and hello to a chiseled core six-packs? These full six-pack body workouts will help you achieve your dream physique. Each of these workouts is designed to target your abs in order to see serious results. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to take your workouts to the next level, these full body workouts are perfect for you. So let's get started and work towards that six-pack. Welcome to Air Twisting Crunch Workout. This exercise is a great way to target your abs and work towards those six-pack abs you've always wanted. To begin, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head and lift your head, shoulders, and upper back off the ground. From here, twist your body to the right and bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Remember to keep your core engaged and your movements controlled. Repeat this exercise for a set number of repetitions and you'll be well on your way to a strong and defined core. Up next is decline crunch on the bench workout. This exercise is a great way to target your lower abs and work towards a defined core. To begin, position yourself on a decline bench with your head towards the bottom of the bench and your feet secured at the top. Place your hands behind your head and lift your head, shoulders, and upper back off the bench. From here, crunch your body up towards your knees and hold for a moment before lowering back down. Keep your core engaged and your motions under control. Repeat this exercise a certain number of times and you should see results in no time. Thank you for watching our full six-pack body workout series. If you liked these exercises and are ready for more, make sure to like and subscribe for the upcoming video. We'll be bringing you even more exercises and tips to help you achieve your dream six-pack abs. So don't miss out and hit that subscribe button.